Sunlight floods the classroom as Mr. Sanchez passionately shares Latin American history with his students. Mateo, seated among his classmates, looks around the classroom, his eyes full of curiosity. His gaze lingers on portraits of Frida Kahlo, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Celia Cruz, each a vibrant celebration of Latino heritage. A thoughtful expression settles on Mateo's face as he notices the absence of anyone who resembles his Haitian grandfather, Papa Joe. In a classroom buzzing with youthful anticipation, Mateo stands tall, an old tanbou nestled in his arms. He begins, his voice resonating with pride. "This is a tanbou. My grandfather brought it from Haiti. It's used for celebrations and prayers." A classmate's innocent question pierces the air. "But Haitians aren't really Latino, right?" Mateo pauses, his gaze steady as he prepares to bridge divides with his story. With conviction, Mateo declares, "Maybe we weren't invited to the party, but our hands helped shape the beat." The tanbou, a symbol of heritage, rests in Mateo's arms, its weathered surface echoing tales of resilience and rhythm. The soft glow of the kitchen light warmly bathes Mateo and Papa Joe as the aroma of spices dances in the air. Mateo's voice carries a hint of sorrow. "They don't see us." Papa Joe's voice fills the room with determination. "Yet we are the drum, the root, the fire under the pot. They might forget our name, but they can't erase our flavor." A vibrant celebration of Haitian cultural influences sweeps across Latin America, a testament to Papa Joe's powerful words. Music, dance, and cuisine intertwine, painting a vivid picture of Haitian heritage that resonates through the heart of Latin America.